Imagine a child learning to recognize animals. At first, they may confuse a cat with a dog, but with time, exposure, and correction, they begin to understand the differences. This process of learning from experiences is not just unique to humans. It is also the foundation of how artificial intelligence, particularly neural networks, learns. Today, I want to take you on a journey to explore what neural networks are and how they mirror the way we as humans learn and adapt. In our increasingly technology driven world, understanding these concepts is not just fascinating, it is essential for grasping the future of AI and its implications on our lives. Understanding neural networks. To begin, let's define what a neural network is. At its core, a neural network is a computational model inspired by the way our brains work. Just as our brains consist of billions of neurons interconnected through synapses, a neural network is made up of nodes, or neurons, that are organized into layers. The structure of these networks typically includes an input layer that receives data, one or more hidden layers that process this information, and an output layer that delivers the final result. Each neuron in a layer takes in information, processes it, and passes it on to the next layer. This layered approach allows neural networks to analyze complex data and make informed decisions, much like our brains do when we learn new concepts or solve problems. The learning process of neural networks. Now let's delve into how neural networks learn. The first step in this process is training. During training, a neural network is fed large data sets that contain examples of the task it needs to perform. For instance, if we want it to recognize images of cats, we would provide thousands of labeled images of cats and non-cats. As the network processes this data, it makes predictions and gradually learns through a method called backpropagation. This technique is crucial because it allows the network to adjust its internal parameters, known as weights and biases, based on the errors it makes. In essence, it's akin to how we learn from our mistakes. Just as a child corrects their understanding after being told they misidentified an animal, a neural network refines its predictions by minimizing errors over time. Real-world applications of neural networks. The applications of neural networks are vast and increasingly present in our daily lives. For instance, they are behind the technology that powers image and speech recognition. Think of how your smartphone can recognize your voice or identify your friends in photos. Additionally, neural networks are integral to the development of autonomous vehicles, enabling them to interpret their surroundings and make real-time decisions. Beyond these examples, industries such as healthcare, finance, and entertainment are leveraging neural networks to enhance diagnostics, predict market trends, and personalize user experiences, respectively. The impact of this technology is profound, and it continues to reshape how we interact with the world. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have explored the definition and function of neural networks and how they learn similarly to humans. As we look to the future, the potential advancements in AI and neural networks are both exciting and daunting. They promise to revolutionize industries, but they also raise important questions about ethics and the role of technology in our lives. I encourage all of you to delve deeper into the world of AI, to understand its capabilities and limitations, and to consider its impact on society. Together, we can navigate